fucking worms. Look at all these cocksuckers. Holy shit, guys, look at this thing. This is the coolest thing I've ever fucking seen. Whoa. It's definitely hella dope. Let me see, baby. Stumbled upon a eastern box turtle nesting under a log. Behold, I found another salamander. He's a little baby version of the one I found. Hell yeah, guys, I stumbled across another one. Another little baby. So I came across a pretty big one and two babies. So he's been there a while. Damn right. Yo, wherever I'm at, there are some monster earthworms. Oh look, there's a butterfly.